big bulldozer. The big bulldozer drove on the construction site. Rumble, rumble, it went over the bumpy ground. It was very early in the morning. Good morning, big bulldozer. The first job for the big bulldozer was to dig a huge hole. Scrape, scrape, went the claws into the hard soil. The hole got deeper and deeper. You woke me up, big bulldozer.
He swallowed the tree.
The big bulldozer carried the soil across the construction site. Backward and forward it drove. There is no peace around here with you working, big bulldozer. Trundle, trundle, it went over the lumpy ground. The big bulldozer dumped the soil in a heap. Thanks, big bulldozer. That's just what I needed. Kerslum went the soil as it fell on the ground. The heap grew bigger and bigger. Now the builders could start work. The tired bulldozer took a rest. But not for long. Work time, bulldozer.
That is the bunny.
There's the bunny.
That is the